Welcome to my channel, My Teacher. Hello students, in this video I am going to explain the book back answers of 13th lesson in 10th biology, structural organization of animals. Choose the correct answer. First one, in leech, locomotion is performed by anterior sucker, posterior sucker, seat, none of the above. Answer is none of the above. Locomotion is performed by the circular and longitudinal muscles of leech. Second question, the segments of leech are known as metameres or somite, proglottids, strobila, all of the above. Answer is metameres or somites. Third question, pharyngeal ganglion in leech is a part of excretory system, nervous system, reproductive system, respiratory system. Answer is nervous system. Fourth question, the brain of leech lies above the mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, crop. Answer is pharynx. Fifth question, the body of leech has 23 segments, 33 segments, 38 segments, 30 segments. Answer is option B, 33 segments. Sixth question, mammals are dash animals: cold-blooded, warm-blooded, poikilothermic, all the above. The answer is option B, warm-blooded. Seventh question, the animals which give birth to young ones are oviparous, viviparous, ovoviviparous, all the above. Answer is viviparous. Fill in the blanks. First one, the posterior sucker is formed by the fusion of the dash segments. Answer last 7. Second question, the existence of two sets of teeth in the life of an animal is called dash dentation. Answer diffeodont. First set is milk teeth, second set is permanent teeth. Third question, the anterior end of leech has a lobe-like structure called dash. Answer anterior sucker. Fourth one, the blood-sucking habit of leech is known as sanguivorous. Yes. Fifth one, dash separate nitrogenous waste from the blood in rabbit. Answer kidney. Sixth question, dash spinal nerves are present in rabbit. Answer 37 pairs. Identify whether the statements are true or false. Correct the false statement. First one, an anticoagulant present in saliva of leech is called heparin. Answer false. Correct statement. An anticoagulant present in the saliva of leech is called hirudin. Second one, the vas deferens serves to transport the ovum. Answer false. Correct statement. The vas deferens serves to transport the sperm. Third question, diastema is a gap between premolar and molar teeth in rabbit. Answer false. Correct statement. Diastema is a gap between incisors and premolars in rabbit. Fourth question, the cerebral hemispheres of rabbit are connected by band of nerve tissue called corpora quadrigemina. Answer false. Correct statement. The cerebral hemispheres of rabbit are connected by band of nerve tissue called corpus callosum. Match columns 1, 2 and 3 correctly. In the first column you can see the organs, brain, kidney, heart, lungs. Second column, membranous covering, pleura, capsule, meninges, pericardium. Third column, location, abdominal cavity, mediastinum, enclosed in thoracic cavity, cranial cavity. Let us find out the answer. Brain, covering of brain is meninges, location, cranial cavity. Kidney, covered by capsule, location, abdominal cavity. Third one, heart, covering is pericardium, located in mediastinum. Lungs, covered by pleura, where it is located? Enclosed in thoracic cavity. Answer in a sentence. First one, give the common name of Hirudinaria granulosa. Answer, Indian cattle leech is a common name of Hirudinaria granulosa. Second question, how does leech respire? Answer, leech respire through the skin. Third question, write the dental formula of rabbit. Dental formula is I, incisor, 2 by 1, C, canines, 0 by 0, PM, premolars, 3 by 2, molars, M, 3 by 3. Fourth question, how many pairs of testes are present in leech? Answer, 11 pairs of testes are present in leech. 1 pair in each segment from 12 to 22 segments. Fifth one, how is diastema formed in rabbit? Answer, the gap between the incisors and premolar is called diastema. It helps in mastication and chewing of food in herbivorous animals. Sixth one, what organs are attached to the two bronchi? Answer, lungs are attached to the two bronchi. Seventh question, which organ acts as suction pump in leech? Answer, muscular pharynx acts as suction pump in leech. Eighth question, what does CNS stand for? Central Nervous System. Ninth question, why is the teeth of rabbit called heterodont? Answer, in rabbit, the teeth are of different types. Hence, the dentition is called heterodont. 10th question, how does leech suck blood from the host? Answer, muscular pharynx helps the leech to suck blood from the host. Short answer questions. First one, why are the rings of cartilages found in trachea of rabbit? Answer, tracheal walls are supported by rings of cartilage which help in the free passage of air. Second question, list out the parasitic adaptations in leech. Answer, blood is sucked by pharynx. Anterior and posterior ends of the body are provided with suckers by which the animal attaches itself to the body of the host. The three jaws inside the mouth causes a painless Y-shaped wound in the skin of the host. Parapodia and setae are completely absent. The salivary glands produce hirudin which does not allow the blood to coagulate. Thus, a continuous supply of the blood is maintained. Blood is stored in the crop. It gives nourishment to the leech for several months. Due to this reason, there is no elaborate secretion of the digestive juices and enzymes. Long answer questions. First one, how is the circulatory system designed in leech to compensate the heart structure? Answer, in leech, circulation is brought about by hemozylic system. There are no true blood vessels. The blood vessels are replaced by channels called hemozylic channels or canals filled with blood-like fluid. The coelomic fluid contains hemoglobin. There are 4 longitudinal channels. One channel lies above, that is dorsal, the alimentary canal. One below the alimentary canal. The other 2 channels lie on either, that is lateral side of the alimentary canal, which serve as heart and have inner walls. All the 4 channels are connected together posteriorly in the 26th segment. Second question, how does locomotion take place in leech? Answer, locomotion in leech take place by 2 movements. First one, looping or crawling movement. Second one, swimming movement. Looping or crawling movement. This type of movement is brought about by the contraction and relaxation of muscles. The 2 suckers serve for attachment during movement on a substratum. Swimming movement. Leeches swim very actively and perform undulating movements in water. Third question, explain the male reproductive system of rabbit with a label diagram. Answer, the male reproductive system of rabbit consists of a pair of testes which are ovoid in shape. Testes are enclosed by scrotal sacs in the abdominal cavity. Each testis consists of numerous fine tubules called seminiferous tubules. This network of tubules lead into a coiled tube called epididymis, which lead into sperm duct called vas deferens. The vas deferens join in the urethra just below the urinary bladder. The urethra runs backward and passes into the penis. There are 3 accessory glands, namely prostate gland, Cowper's gland and perineal gland. Their secretions are involved in reproduction. Draw the diagram of male reproductive system of rabbit showing scrotal sac, testis, epididymis, urethra, vas deferens, left kidney on one side and right kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, prostate gland, Cowper's gland and perineal gland in other side. Higher order thinking skills or HOTS. First question, Arjun is studying in 10th standard. He was down with a fever and went to meet the doctor. As he went to the clinic, he saw a patient undergoing treatment for severe leech bite. Being curious, Arjun asked the doctor why leech bite was not felt as soon as it attaches to the skin. What would have been the reply given by the doctor? Answer, leech inject an anesthetic substance that prevents the host from feeling their bite. Hence, the leech bite could not be felt as soon as it attaches to the skin. Second question, Shailesh has some pet animals at his home. He has few rabbits too. One day, while feeding them, he observed something different with the teeth. He asked his grandfather, "Why is it so?" What would have been the explanation of his grandfather? Answer. Shailesh observed that in rabbits there was a gap between the incisors and premolars. The gap between the incisors and premolar is called a diastema. Canines are absent in rabbit. His grandfather explained that diastema helps in mastication and chewing of food in herbivorous animals. Value-based questions. First one. Leeches do not have secretion of digestive juices and enzymes. Why? Answer. Leech is sanguivorous in habit, sucking blood of cattle and domestic animals. Blood is stored in the crop. It gives nourishment to the leech for several months. Due to this reason, there is no elaborate secretion of digestive juices and enzymes. Second question. How is the digestive system of rabbit suited for herbivorous mode of feeding? Answer. The digestive system includes the alimentary canal and the associated digestive glands. Cecum is a thin-walled sac present at the junction of small intestine and large intestine. It contains bacteria that helps in digestion of cellulose. There are 3 kinds of teeth in rabbits. Canines are absent. The gap between the incisors and premolar is called diastema. It helps in mastication and chewing of food in herbivorous animals. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel, My Teacher.